Emma's going to be running her smartphone video workshop. It's a webinar on the 22nd of April. Here's some more details for it here. 9:30 till 1:30. The tried and tested framework to get you started with planning, shooting and editing videos on your smartphone. And you might decide that some of the editing is maybe best done eventually on a desktop, but shooting on your smartphone can be so powerful. It can take you places that you wouldn't go with a DSLR camera or a big, heavy computer. There's only going to be a maximum of 8 participants, so you can get involved, ask questions. Emma's going to have advice on products and equipment that you might want to buy. There's a full listing on Eventbrite, but if you have a look at comsteria.co.uk/events, you get all the details on this. It'd be great if you come and join us the 22nd of April. And then a few days after that, on the 28th, I'm going to be running my podcasting session. Emma, if anybody's in two minds, why should they come along and join you for the smartphone video workshop?
Because it's fun, and because you'll learn a lot, and I think because it will save you a lot of time. You can pick up a phone and you can shoot video. Most of us are capable of doing that. But by working through a framework or a process with me, then you can save yourself a lot of heartache. I would say in the future, a lot of hunting through lots of YouTube tutorials about how to do everything and find it all in the one spot. And all that stuff we've said about workflow, it's important for desktops, but it's really important for smartphone as well. Like, how do you plan and shoot a video that is easy to edit on a smartphone so that you can get that fast turnaround time, but still a professional quality video?